Welcome to Website Tuesdays. This week we're going to talk about the 5 things we need to know before we design your website. This is very important also for you to know. That way the whole process will be, without any overwhelm, and it's going to be really easy and smooth. The first thing to know is what's your brand name. You can use your normal name, for example, but you can also make up a business name. What is important here that you want to check in a domain search to make sure that that domain is not taken yet. For that, you can use namecheap.com. I also added a link down below so it's easier for you to take a quick look. So you want to make sure then that the domain is not taken. If it is, then you probably want to brainstorm a bit to find a better solution for that. But what is important here that you want to be consistent with your brand. So probably you want to use the same name all over social media, on your website, and in other branding that you might have. And also you want to keep it simple. The more simple is the better. The second point, and in my opinion, this is one of the most important one. What is the point of the website? What kind of actions do I want the viewers to take when they come to my website? Without that, we can't really start your design process because then you don't have a goal, so you might not be successful with the website. So let's just see some examples that we can think about when it comes to this point. So, for example, I want the viewers that come to my website to purchase a product from me. Or I want them to reach out via a contact form. Or I want them to book an appointment with me. It is simple, but it's also essential to know that before starting any kind of design process. The third point is, what does your website need to do? Obviously, you want to showcase all kinds of information that's useful, images, videos maybe, but let's think a bit further than that. Do you need a contact form? How many? Do they need to be different from each other? Do you want to sell a product on your website? What kind of payment gateway you want to use? You're a fan of PayPal or Stripe maybe, or because of your location, you require some other options. Let's see what other examples we could have. Do you want to connect your newsletter sign up service with the website? Any kind of social media account you want to showcase on the website? And some things like that. So you want to make sure that you think ahead because that way any kind of website design company can give you much more realistic quote. So we're getting there. The fourth point is, how many pages do you need on your website? You basically want to think about what kind of information do I want to showcase on my website, and for that, how many pages do I need? So when someone comes to my website, they are not overwhelmed on like one page, super long website, but instead the information would be nicely distributed over some different pages. So yes, basically just think about that, but obviously we can also help with that. Once we know what your business is about, what kind of information you want to showcase, then we can always just have a quick chat and we can help you with that also. Our last point for today is, what kind of content do I need for my website? First of all, think about the goal of the website. And then what kind of information you want to showcase to your visitors. After that, I think it's much easier to lay out all those pages and the kind of content that you want to showcase. Also, of course, think about using high quality images. That way we can make sure that the website looks professional. And also, if you have any kind of doubts, you can always check your competitors' websites or any other website that might inspire you. There is not one right way to do that. Thanks for watching our video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with everything that comes to websites. Next week, As it's gonna be Website Tuesdays again, we're gonna come with a new topic, of course. Please also check out our amazing landing page in 72 hours offer because it's one of the best, seriously. I left a link down below. Okay, thanks y'all and see you next week.